when you relax this hand, and in this moment the racket first drops because you are completely relaxed, okay, and then here of course you hold it a little bit more, you accelerate, go slow slow, and then you go, okay. And in this exercise is before you understand that, it simply is to simplify your forehand, because you learn tennis with closed stance. That's why you are sitting down here and not facing to the court, because you need to be sideways. Being sideways is the first thing to learn in tennis. You always need to be sideways, and you need to learn with closed stance. The same way we are in closed stance, we are sitting, okay, and then the racket is on your side. Why like that and not like this? Because like this you don't have any reference on your hand, okay, and here you know that the racket should be facing here with your grip like that. And if you have Eastern grip, doing this you need to force too much your wrist, so you know that is wrong. And here you know that is semi-Western grip, you know that is relaxed, and from here you just play and you finish. And remember, it's really important to understand that here you need to have the contact point, and then you close the head of the racket. So 1, 2, 3, and you can answer the phone in the end. And this is just to simplify, to help you understand the grip. It's really important to understand the reason of the exercise and why I create this exercise. It's not just one exercise to go viral, it's actually one exercise to help you play better tennis, to help you improve your level without understanding that you are improving. Because if you do this, if you just do this exercise because you saw online and maybe you are facing there and you just do this, you actually don't understand why you do that, okay? You go viral, but what is the reason? You need to understand what is the reason for this exercise, why I do this. And first is because you need to be sideways, you need to use the closed stance, and you need to keep the grip. This is the first and the most important thing. Second is that every time you do this exercise, the grip is right and you limit all the other actions. So when you do here, you will feel, actually I missed this ball. First you need to drop the ball in front of you and on your side, not here behind you, because the contact point is not here, it's in front of you. And then you drop the ball, and from here you're gonna play, okay? And what you're gonna feel is that you can't miss this ball. If you have the semi-Western grip, and if you do this exercise, you understand, okay, I cannot miss this ball. Now, when you do a normal forehand, you need to find that moment and you go. And you cannot stop. You go, 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 and go. And you understand, okay, now I have the reference because I did that exercise. And now makes sense to do this exercise because you know the reason why. It's not just, oh, I saw this online, it's actually beautiful, let me try. No, you need to understand the reason.